Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. If you guys are coming from my last video, you guys know that I just got a new Whirlpool washer and dryer set. I did a video on the washer. I washed my towels on the quick cycle. Now we're going to dry them in the Whirlpool. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have the dryer quick start guide here. Step 1, clean the lint screen. I hope there's nothing in the lint screen. There's nothing in the lint screen. Very good. Load the clothes and close the door. So this is what it looks like, brand new. I did run it without anything in it for 20 minutes. That's what the delivery guy told me to do to get rid of like the funky smell. So stick those in there. I feel like towels are a safe bet for your first to load. You don't want to do like clothes or something because I don't know what if something goes wrong. But towels, it's like, yeah, they're towels. It'll be fine. All right, almost done. Do you guys use dryer balls or do you guys use fabric sheets or nothing? I have both. I usually just go with the dryer sheets though. All right, so let's do a dryer sheet. Got these ones from Kirkland. Pop it in there. All right. Oh, you know what, guys? I didn't even give you an overview like I did with the washer. Let's do that real quick. So we got the main thing here. Let's see. Does it have cycle control knobs? No. Okay, so we got the time to dry. Heavy dry. Whoa, you're drying for a long time. And your time dries. Then we got our fluff, no heat. And then just our automatic, very dry, more dry, energy preferred, and wrinkle shield, which is when you're unable to remove a load of clothes from the dryer, as soon as it stops, wrinkles can form. Wrinkle shield option periodically tumbles, rearranges and fluffs the load to help keep wrinkles from forming. That's pretty cool. Never seen that before. Oh, and they have an AccuDry? Where is that at? Do I have that? AccuDry cycle senses moisture in the air load and shuts off when the load reaches selected dryness, gives best dry in shortest amount of time. I don't think I have that. Do you guys see that anywhere? Is that under cycle signal? No. Cycle signal. No, that's just like if it dings when it's done or not. Okay, I don't think I have this other feature. Yeah, accurate dry. Okay, I don't think I have that. So I think we're just gonna go with energy preferred and see how that works out for me with this load of towels. Okay. And then I guess we'll just go on a high temperature because they're towels and on. So there we go. It was a pain in the rear end to get that thing on. The dude did not do it for me. I was none too pleased with Lowe's. All right, so let's see how long this one takes for the dryer and if my towels are dry at the end. Okay guys, it is an hour later and the dryer is off. Actually, I was doing a voiceover for another video and I heard it beep, and while I was working on the voiceover, it's beeped 2 more times since then. So that means after it finished, it's on this wrinkle shield where it'll toss the laundry for a few minutes, and then it'll, well, not even a few minutes, like 30 seconds, so it doesn't wrinkle, I guess, and then it beeps again to like keep reminding you, hey, I'm here and I'm dry. So this was on the energy preferred and this was on high temperature. So let's see if it dried our towels. Oh yeah, they are dry. I am so excited. My old dryer was like very old, like 12, 13 years old. And I used to have to run the cycle twice for it to be dry. And then finally it just started smelling terrible. So, you know, time to get a new dryer. Anyways, everything is dry. I am so excited. If you guys like this video and want more videos of my washer and my dryer, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe so you get all my like how-to video notifications, And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!